Wes's new little boat. He's driving it. He's over here piloting his boat.
I'll put it over here so you got the bridge in the back now.
Look at him go. Look at that boat go. That boat is flying. Wow, look at him. Whoa! He's zipping it all around. Say hi, Wes, you're on video. He's zipping that boat all around the canal here. Look at him. And here's your pilot right there, piloting his boat. There's the pilot. Look at that sitting ass smile on his face.